One of the biggest frustrations traders face is slippage. You place a stop loss. You calculate your risk properly, and then the market moves fast, maybe during news, maybe overnight, and your position closes at a worse price than expected. That's slippage. And this is exactly what ThinkMarkets is addressing with the new guaranteed stop loss feature, now available on ThinkTrader. So what is a guaranteed stop loss? Normally, when you set a stop loss, you're telling the platform to close your trade at a certain price. But in volatile markets, prices can gap. That means your trade might close at the next available price, not necessarily the one you chose. A guaranteed stop loss removes that uncertainty. It ensures that your position closes at the exact stop level you set, no matter how fast the market moves. That means no negative slippage, no unexpected losses beyond your planned risk, just full control over your maximum downside. This is especially important, especially during high-impact events, things like interest rate decisions, CPI releases, or unexpected geopolitical headlines. Markets can move quickly and spreads can widen. A guaranteed stop loss helps protect your capital in those situations. Using it inside ThinkTrader is simple. When placing a trade, you'll see the option to apply a guaranteed stop loss directly in the order window. You select your stop level as usual, activate the guaranteed option, and your maximum risk is locked in. It's a small feature, but it makes a big difference in risk management. And that's what professional trading is really about. Not just entries, not just indicators, but controlling risk properly. ThinkTrader already offers advanced charting powered by TradingView, multiple chart layouts, and built-in tools to improve decision-making. Now, with guaranteed stop loss added, it strengthens the platform's risk management capabilities even further. If you want to test this feature for yourself, you can open a ThinkMarkets demo account and explore it inside ThinkTrader before going live. As always, trading involves risk, so make sure you understand how the tools work before using them in live markets. If you found this helpful, like the video and subscribe for more platform updates and trading insights. I'll see you in the next one.